Are you MIE Expert 2122? Have you checked your Outlook email? Have you got your MIE program email congratulations? Have you received your MIE Expert 22 badge on Gradly? If you have got it, you did it. All my congratulations. Well done. Hats off. Now you can download your MIE certificates from Gradly. It's perfect if you could print it too. It would be very nice to have your certificate on paper too. And why not add it to your CV? Share your badge and certificate on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, or your social media in order to interact with your friends, and maybe you can help them self-nominate themselves next time. Now, as MIE Expert 22, you've got excellent offers from Microsoft. MIE Expert 22 got many one-year free digital platforms and programs. Now, what are the Microsoft partners offers to all MIE 22? 1. Aim at iStar. 2. Antares Solutions. 3. Flat for Education. It's a platform for music. And Buncee by Capstone. Whiteboard.chat. WeVideo. MIE. Class Policy. Classroom.cloud. Canva for Education. ClickView. Orient 3D, formerly Lifelink. Drawp For School. Pear Deck Plus MIE Experts for 1 year free. Neo. Feedbackfruits. Ludenso. Prepperlabs.org. School Day. Soundtrap. Spotify. Squiglets. Brainchecks.net. Jumpstart Academy, very nice one for kids and math and medicine, and Toucan for teaching languages. I invite you, dear MIE experts, to activate all these amazing platforms before June the 1st, 2022. Good luck.